Look at this sink here, this sink faucet. Looks like a nice faucet here, right? Kaboom. Look at this. Look how high this is. This is a pop-up valve and it's attached properly. But when you pull this here, this is supposed to go down all the way. There's no way it's going down all the way. Water's just going to seep through that. Here. Let's just see what happens. I mean, I've got this thing pulled up as hard as I can. See? Bye-bye. That's no good. Should not be up that high. It should be up about that far, and you pull it, and this should be down tight and snug right now. There's a little rubber gasket on the underneath side of that, and that should suck down tight. Okay? They should have done a little bit better job when they installed this. And here's a tip for you. Whenever you install faucet handles, before you walk away from the job, you make sure that this is adjusted properly. You fill this bowl up with water. You fill it up with water. You pull this here. You get it up there. You turn that off, and then you watch that, and it should not go down the drain. We gotta fix that. I'm probably gonna need one of those, or both of them. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to get under there and show you. I don't have my trouble light here or anything. But you see that? This is what's happening here. When they pull that up, you see what's happening? This is bending. See how that's flexing? So first off, I know that has to be straight. I also know that this right here, you pinch it and you can slide it. See? I can slide it closer to the end of this, and that's going to give it more. I'm going to have to rebend this because I want this out this way as far as possible, because this is way over here. Usually they'll have this right here in the back, but they decided to put it off at an angle so they have a little bit extra room further to go to pull this pop-up from here. Do you see what I mean? And that's why I'm looking at that. And this is bent right there, so I'm going to have to work on that a little bit. And you see up there further, up here, I don't know if you can see that or not. I may have to slide that up. It's right there on the bottom, so I'm going to have to loosen up that nut or that wing deal, and that's probably what I'll use my crescent wrench for. And then I can slide that up a little bit. Then that's going to take out some of this belly here because I can't get it. You see? So I've got to raise that up and rebend that so I can get that out of there, and then I believe it's going to work.